Installing bay windows is one of the most transformative upgrades a homeowner can make, especially in a coastal city as vibrant and scenic as Miami Beach. These elegant, three-dimensional windows bring in expansive natural light, open up interior spaces, and highlight the beauty of ocean and city views. But what many homeowners don't realize is that bay window installation is a highly specialized project, one that requires not just technical skills but a deep understanding of local climate, building conditions, and coastal regulations. For Miami Beach residents, choosing a window contractor with local expertise can make all the difference. Here's why working with a professional who understands the area is essential for a smooth, secure, and long-lasting bay window installation. Miami Beach's coastal climate requires special installation techniques. Miami Beach experiences intense sun, high humidity, and salty ocean air, conditions that can severely impact the performance of windows if they're not properly installed. Bay windows, because of their structure and larger surface area, are especially sensitive to moisture, temperature changes, and wind exposure. Local installers understand how salt air accelerates corrosion if materials aren't properly sealed. The best frame materials, like vinyl, fiberglass, or impact-rated composites. For humid, coastal zones, the proper installation techniques to prevent warping, swelling, or moisture intrusion. A contractor without Miami Beach experience may overlook critical details that protect your bay windows from long-term damage. Bay windows must withstand strong coastal winds and storm events. Miami Beach is located in a high-velocity hurricane zone, HVHZ. This means any window installation, especially large bay windows, must meet strict wind load and impact-resistant standards. Local experts know the exact hurricane codes required in Miami-Dade County, how to properly anchor bay window structures to withstand strong winds, what reinforcements and sealants are necessary for long-term safety, which window brands and models meet HVHZ certification. Choosing the wrong installer could lead to windows that fail during a storm, creating major safety and insurance issues. Proper structural support is crucial for bay windows. Unlike standard flat windows, bay windows extend outward from the home and require precise calculations to ensure structural stability. This is especially important in Miami Beach, where homes vary from historic Art Deco styles to modern waterfront estates. Local professionals understand how Miami Beach's soil and foundation conditions influence installation, the structural reinforcements needed for outward protruding windows, how to preserve architectural aesthetics that define Miami Beach neighborhoods, how to minimize disruption to stucco, masonry, and exterior finishes. Without local knowledge, installers may compromise the structural integrity or appearance of your home. Experience with local aesthetics enhances home value. Bay windows are not only functional, they dramatically influence curb appeal and interior design. Local experts understand what works in Miami Beach's unique aesthetic environment. They know how to design bay windows that complement tropical, contemporary, or coastal styles, which glass options reduce glare from strong Florida sunlight, how to maximize natural light without adding heat gain, what styles are most desirable in the Miami Beach housing market. This helps homeowners achieve a look that boosts both beauty and property value. Local installers know how to prevent moisture and mold issues. Humidity and coastal moisture can cause mold, condensation, and wood rot if bay windows aren't installed with precision. Local window professionals are familiar with common moisture challenges in Miami Beach homes and use proven solutions such as advanced waterproof membranes, hurricane-rated flashing systems, high-performance caulking formulated for coastal homes, energy-efficient glass that reduces indoor humidity problems. These details ensure your bay windows stay beautiful and safe for decades. Faster service and better support. Choosing a local installer also means faster response times, ongoing maintenance support, reliable warranties, and long-term relationships. Professionals who know your neighborhood's permit process. Homeowners get peace of mind knowing help is never far away. Final thoughts: bay windows bring beauty, value, and light into Miami Beach homes, but only when they are installed with the expertise the coastal environment demands. Local professionals understand the climate, building codes, design preferences, and structural requirements that make bay window installation successful in this region. By choosing a Miami Beach expert, you ensure your new windows deliver long-lasting comfort, protection, and coastal charm.